So I haven't updated since the summer because I've been bored and I didn't have any ideas. But recently I'm dyeing my hair, not for YouTube, just because I'm bored. But I'm dyeing my hair. Colorista. It's the color teal for brunettes. So I'm going to be going through that whole process. This is my first time ever dyeing my hair. So we'll just see where this goes. Okay, so I shampooed and washed my hair. Now I'm just waiting for it to dry. I'm going to towel, so I'm going to towel dry it a bit. And then once it's dry, I'm going to start applying the color. So, hair's dry, and I put conditioner and stuff so on my ears and around my face so the dye won't stain it. Now, let's get to it. Voiceover Nat here. So I basically took the dye, I had gloves on since it stains, and then I worked it into the parts of the hair I wanted to dye. I know I'm probably not using correct technique since I literally know nothing about hair dye and this is my first time and I only did like a little research. But that's what I'm doing here, and make sure to use a lot. I used a lot because hair dye, apparently you need a lot. So that's about all that's happening here. So I've applied the color. Sorry, it didn't go all the way up to the root. I'm kind of trying for like a gradient look. I put a lot more down here, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna have to let it like set for like 20 to 30 minutes. I think 30. Yeah, 30 for this one specifically. So let's see how it goes. So I put my hair up in this thing. Then I saw that side of my face. Oof. Gonna have to figure out how to clean that up so I don't think I put conditioner there. It's even worse in real life than it is on camera. So it's done processing. I'm gonna wash it now, rinse it out, and then we'll dry it and we'll see what it looks like. So it's a sopping wet now and it's bad lighting, but there's definitely some dye there. And we'll see how it looks when it's dried later. So I'm back in my room. As you can see, it actually definitely did, like the color's definitely there. So that's great. Yeah, if you want to see more of my content or whatever, follow me on Tumblr at Fashionably Late. There's a dash between every letter. So thanks, and I'll see you later. Bye.